So if you thought setup trading was fun and exciting, then you might really love Guerrilla Setup Trading, or it's commonly known as Guerrilla Setup Trading. There's other names too. So think of Guerrilla Setup Trading as more intense setup trading, Guerrilla trading more intense, if you can be that way. Looking at very, very short trades, term trades, you're buying and selling in minutes, for sure, buying and selling in minutes, and you're targeting only a little profit per trade. You're doing that over and over again. And so you do a lot of trading over the course of a session, right? You're minutes, right? And you don't care about trends and other indicators, which makes me sad a little bit. But hey, we're not here to just love indicators. They're perfect, great things, but you can use this type of trading to make profits as well too. And that's ultimately what we're here for, is to make some profits on our trading. So how does guerrilla trading work? So first off, how it works is you kind of follow a news announcement that people are going to react to, right? You kind of anticipate things coming, like an earnings announcement. Companies will, for example, in the stock world, they're going to have earnings announcements, or maybe there's some government policy announcements, something around, if you're in the cryptocurrency world, there might be something about legalization or more regulation around cryptocurrencies or currency trading like Forex, whatever it is, whatever type of security you're trading, you're looking for news around that, particularly if there's news that is coming. That's really what you're looking for, is you're really looking at the calendar and you're watching for news to come, and you might see some rumors coming and you're watching for that news to come. Once the news comes, now you watch what the market response is, and your only indicator is price. How is the market responding? The news comes out, and if the news seems favorable, people are going to start buying, right? So they're going to buy. So if with that, you want to immediately pounce, right? Just like a gorilla on a nice leafy branch or a banana, right? You're going to immediately pounce is the idea. You have to get in fast, and then you have to get out fast in a few minutes is the idea behind it. But the whole key on there is getting in fast, that immediate pounce part. Because if you come in too late, you've already missed a lot of that good initial price run up, and it might have a pullback later in the next minutes or later in the session. So the idea is you immediately pounce, and you get out in a few minutes. And sometimes you can do this multiple times on the same announcement as the market processes the news, right? So a great news comes out, the market reacts, the price goes up, you've pounced early, it's gone up a little bit, you set maybe a predetermined target of like 2% return or whatever your number is, you set a predetermined amount, and then you get out. And then the market processes it and might come back down a little bit, and then you pounce again. And you can keep doing that on the same announcement if you feel, and once you see these prices going back up again. So as far as trading goes, it's less about indicators and more about behavior in that case. So if you like setup trading, you might love guerrilla trading.